Welcome to this clear and comprehensive tutorial on quickly changing margins in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to make adjustments to your website layout in just a few minutes by working through the WordPress interface step by step. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the page loads, take a moment to look for the login option positioned at the top right corner of the page. This is your entry point into the WordPress dashboard where you can control and modify various aspects of your website. After you have located the login area, click on it to proceed. The next step will be to log in using your Google account. To do this, simply click on the option labeled Continue with Google. When you choose this login method, a list of your available Google accounts will appear on screen. Select the correct account that you use for managing your WordPress website. This process helps streamline your login experience and ensures that you have the necessary credentials to continue editing your site. Once you have successfully logged in, focus your attention on the quick links section within the dashboard. There you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will take you directly into the website editing interface where most of the customization options reside. This is the area that allows you to make various style and layout changes without having to delve into code, making the process straightforward and accessible. After entering the site editing mode, locate the area on screen that represents your block. A block in WordPress is an individual section or element that holds content on your page, and modifying it can provide a tailored appearance for your website. Click on the block you wish to adjust. This action will enable the editing options specific to that section. Next, shift your attention towards the right panel of the editing interface. Within this panel, find the Styles tab. The Styles tab is where you can control multiple visual aspects of the block you just selected. It organizes settings in a user-friendly manner so that every style element, such as fonts, colors, and margins, can be tweaked with ease. Once you have navigated to the Styles tab, scroll until you see the Dimensions section. This section contains vital controls related to spacing, including padding and margins, which help define the layout of your content. In this step, you are looking to adjust the margin. Margins serve as the space outside the border of your block, and modifying them allows you to create more breathing room around your content. Carefully adjust the margin setting as desired, whether you need to add space for better readability, or align elements more harmoniously on your web page. The margin setting is the key to achieving a balanced visual presentation. Take your time to fine-tune this element until it perfectly meets your layout requirements. By following these steps, you have now successfully learned how to change the margins on your WordPress website quickly and efficiently. This process not only enhances the appearance of your website, but also provides greater control over the user experience. Enjoy the improved design and functionality as you explore more features within WordPress.